Hey guys, welcome to my channel Creative Corner by Varsha. Today we will talk about watercolor pencils. I have 24 shades and these are not my brand new pencils, but still I will show you how this works. For this we will need a brush and water. I am taking few sheets out and keeping them here. Now you can see the variation in size. As I have told you, these are not new ones. I am doing few swatches here and then we will add water. They are working very smoothly and they are not like normal pencil colors. They are very smooth. Now we'll just show you one more shade. Now I'm dipping my brush in water and spreading it over. So you can see the watercolor effect. And this is really good for kids also because it gives watercolor effect with pencil. So you can see how these pencil colors are turned into watercolor. Now I will color few doodles here. I'm filling this quickly with my pencils. Now red. For this envelope I will use green and light green. For this coffee mug I will use two different shades because shading is also important. Now we'll add water. And yeah, it's so easy and pretty. Adding little water and it turns out into watercolor. You can use this for shading your words also. You can see this word, upper half is colored and I will fill lower half with water. So you can see the shading here. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.